Hello everyone, welcome to another digital lecture class 12th. Today in this video, I am going to start business studies subject. First chapter of your syllabus is nature and significance of management. So first of all, I would like to inform you about management. Today, whatever the size of the business, whether small or big, all require management. The importance of management has become universal. The relation of management is with 5 M's, which are called as 5 M's of industry, that is main, material, machine, money and method. All the 5 M's are related to management. So they are called as the main elements of management. The most effective managers are those who can effectively obtain and distribute the 5 M's. Each category in the 5 M's management model represents a function or a part of a function that contributes to the bottom line. First M means main. Main power doing physical work or brain work is called main power resources. Second M is material. Material used for manufacturing the product such as raw material or are called material. 3 M's. It means machine. Equipment, technology uses for manufacturing the product is called machine. Fourth M means money. Money means the amount of that a business help to maintain for its day-to-day operation. 5M means method. Process performed as per predefined operation standard. Analysis of the term management. In this way, management means to get the work done from the employees tactfully. Here, to plan, direct and to coordinate the efforts of the workers in an organization to achieve the determined goals is management. Management is an art of getting things done by others. Management aims at grouping their efforts, guiding and supervising them for achieving the common objectives of the organization with minimum cost but maximum profit. Meaning of management is: management is a process of getting things done with the aim of achieving goals effectively and efficiently. Now, I am explaining the meaning of process, effectiveness and efficiently. First, process. Management is a process because it performs series of functions. The primary function of management, which are planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling in a sequence. Effectiveness means to completion of work or achievement of target on time. Efficiency means to optimum use of human and physical resources to minimize the cost and to increase the profit. Effectiveness and efficiency are the two sides of the same coin. One without other is of no use. Effectiveness and efficiency together direction to higher profit and prosperity of an organization, and failure of organization is due to inefficiency and ineffectiveness. For good management, it is important to have process, effectiveness and efficient leads, completion of the work in the correct order, completion of the work on time, and the cost is reduced. Balancing all of these is called management. Now, in this chart, management is related to planning, related to organizing, related to guiding, related to coordinating, related to controlling, is a process. To sum up, management is a coordinated process. It is not a series of separate. Now we will discuss about features of management. First feature is management is a goal oriented. All the activities are based on goals. Different business have different goals according to the organization. Goals are fixed for some special purpose. Goals of a business is to earn maximum profit and produce maximum goods of good quality at lowest cost. Second feature is management is universal process. Management is a universal process because its work and area are unlimited. Management is applicable to all human activities and institutions. It is universal process. It means that whatever the nature of business is, management is required, no matter what kind of business it is. It may be any hospital, school, or any religious place, or if we talk about our home, management is required. We are running a business in India or in any country. Management is required. Activities of management are almost same all the places. Third feature is management is creative. A successful manager is a person who is able to provide motivation and leadership. A manager always gives importance to do the work properly. In this way, successful manager motivates the workers to work efficiently and effectively. Fourth feature is management is dynamic function. Successful management must change its goals, plans, and policies according to the needs of its environment. For example, Maruti Suzuki brought many new and latest modifications in these cars to face the competition from foreign automobile companies. The external environment such as social, economical, technical and political environment has great influence over the management. Fifth feature is management is group activity. Group activities means whatever the work of a manager is, it may planning, organizing, staffing, directing and controlling. All these activities cannot be performed by only one person. So for performing all these activities, a group of persons is required. Planning is the responsibility of managers of senior level to decide that in what period of time work should be completed, and then the work based on organizing and staffing will be performed by the manager of middle level, and then the work of supervision and controlling is performed by the managers of lower level. In this way, different activities are performed by different persons at different level. All the members of a group help to achieve the goals. Sixth feature is management is a profession. Management is personal skill also which can be practiced and developed. Management is a profession and it is a specific knowledge. So in many special training and organized regarding management. Seventh feature is management is a continuous process. Management is a continuous process consisting of a series of functions like planning, organizing, directing, staffing, and controlling. All the managers perform these functions regularly. Management does not stop anywhere. It continues without breaks and exists as long as organization exists. So it is said that management is a never ending process. That is, it is a continuous process. So today we understood meaning of management and features of management. If you have any questions related to this video topic, write below in the comment section. That's all for today. Thank you very much.